Alright, let's begin without an introduction. Nature Plus is my main channel with more than 50,000 subscribers. This video is the one with the most views in the last 48 hours. It has scored more than 5 million views since its creation. Has about 150,000 hours of watching. And over 40,000 subscribers. Well, I did a little research before recording my video. This video has recorded 1 million views during the month of March 2021. Here it is, 1 million views. 1 million views for an average view duration of 1 minute 45 seconds, the equivalent of 29,000 hours of viewing. 7,100 subscribers, and $226. $226 for 1 million views. It's not a fortune, but it's still a good amount of money. The average duration of a view is 1 minute 45 seconds, equivalent to 48% of the total duration of the video. Here are the revenue statistics. The income per 1,000 views. $0.22 per 1,000 views. When you know that some channels receive more than $15 per 1,000 views. It's really frustrating to see these stats. The revenue per day was stable and then started to increase about 15 days after the video went online, to over $60 per day. I know, it's not the American dream. It's the YouTube dream. $60 for 246,000 views. Well, hasta la vista.